head towards the pier a little bit and get away from these people before we drop anything in. They were right off the beach earlier. Like, there was a guy that came by like 100 feet off the beach. What should probably happen is that planer needs to be switched to this rod. Yeah, let me do that quick, because that way we can tell that there's a bite easier.
There's nothing.
Then reel on the other one. I'm gonna get this one up because there's chain shut on it quick. There is a fish on this one.
I told you. Yes, I told you, it's stuttered.
That's weird because it didn't feel it.
Did you get them in?
I felt something pulsing on it.
Hold here. I mean, if it's legal, put it up here.
I don't think that might be legal. It's 12 from tip to the base of the fork. I can't believe he ate one that big. First little Spanish. I think we were dragging him for a while.
I didn't feel like there was any.
Oh, Ben, get this one. This one, there's a fish on it. Go. Watch the other ones. Oh, watch it. Oh. Here, watch out. Up the front and drop the tip down. Here, walk back that way. Drop the tip. That's a better one. Oh my gosh!
Look at all the Spanish. Holy crap.
Where?
Like to the right.
Was there a lot?
Yeah, it's like 20 and they're big.
Excuse me. Yeah, there they are. Directly 12 o'clock. There's a ton of them skying. Slow it down a little bit. They're right here. Yeah. They're right here. They were like on top of them. Over there. They're, oh no!
Dude, reeling right that way.
Where? All over in here. Oh, I got one. There's one. GoPro's recording.
That's a massive one. That is a monster.
Oh my gosh, that was so clutch. The quick release. Look at that. Spanish. That's awesome. It's so much more fun on these. There they are. There's one at least.
Why?
Oh my gosh.
Look at them over here.
No, my reel. My rod has a flipping tangle at the worst time ever. All right, I think I got enough casting distance to make something happen. Oh yeah, they're right here. Oh my goodness. Ben's got one. One of us is getting smoked right here.
Ah, shoot.
You miss him?
Yeah. Oh, there he is.
Oh, he got him. Ben.
Oh man, that's...
What? Throw him back. He's small. Throw him back. He's small. Don't even, it's not worth keeping. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, right there.
Hey, he might have a bonita.
The one just literally jumped right next to
We're
it.
not losing berries. I got Nick.
He
I have one too.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought it was a lot. It looked at
Oh, there it is.
a giant. His is at least,
Holy crap.
his is probably 2 pounds.
That is a monster.
Oh,
There they are. I can get some range with this thing. Oh my goodness!
That was crazy. That was actually insane. Oh my. Is this a monster or is it just...
Or you're just holding the reel with one hand.
No. There's a boat, that's fine.
Do you have one too, Holt? How does everyone have one?
Let's go.
Oh yeah, look. Oh.
That just...
I might have your line. Oh, no.
This gill got massacred.
I just got cut off. Yep.
Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna get this hook out. Look
I had wire leader too.
Look how.
Oh my word.
That one launched itself. Wait, here, oh, you'll feel it if you have one.
I hooked a jellyfish. What is my luck?
Garbage. Yeah, I got the fire for you.
What is my luck?
It's a slab.
We got at least 10.
It's a slab of fish.
We had 2 when we started.
That's not a bad day's work right there. Got a giant Spanish. Well guys, this video kind of happened without a warning, but yeah, turned into a massive success. Another classic artificials and Spanish video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and catch you next time on Landed Fishing.